So here, radian measure. What do we mean by radian measure? So it is a second way to measure angles. A second way to measure angles is in radian. So definition of radian is one radian. One radian is the measure of an angle in standard position whose terminal side intercepts an arc of length r. Okay. So in general, we have a theta is equal to S over R. Okay? So we have here, when you say theta, it is the side of, nakikita nyo yung kwan ko, pointer ko, here. Yung mouse pointer, nakikita nyo ba?
Opo.
Okay.
Oo, ma'am.
So this is the S and
Opo.
the R. R is your radius. Okay? So the arc length is equal to radius when this theta is equivalent to 1 radian. Okay? So tatandaan nyo yun na. Radius when theta is equal to 1 radian. So the radian measure, when you say 2 pi, okay, so this one is at pi. 2 pi radian corresponds to 360 degrees. When you say 2 pi, it is approximately 6.28. Okay, so it is, kung makikita ninyo sa calculator nyo, there is already a pi sign there. When you say pi, what is the measure of 1 pi? 1 pi is equivalent to
3.14.
Very good.
3.14 po.
0.14.
Yes. Multiply that into 2, which is your 2 pi, then that is equivalent to 6.28. Pi radian corresponds to 180 degrees, and then a half of that pi is equivalent to 90 degrees. Okay, so this is the equivalent. This is the radian, 1 radian, 2 radian, 3 radian, 4 radian, 5 radian, and then 6 radian. Okay. So the radian measure, when you say it's pi over 6, okay, it's pi over 6, meaning it is at least, okay, yung isang first quadrant here has been divided into 3, and one part of that one is your pi over 6. This pi over 4 here is this first quadrant from here. This corresponds to your 90 degrees angle. Now, half of that one is your pi over 4. Kumbaga sa angle ito, your pi over 4 is equivalent to what degrees? Anyone?
45.
Yeah,
45?
very good. It's
45.
45 degrees. Very good. Now, pi over 3 here, yan, is approximately, okay, ito yun, approximately a half.
60 degrees.
Yes, it's 60 degrees. Half of this
60
one.
degrees.
Very good. It's 60 degrees. Pi over 2 is equivalent to your 90 degrees. And then a whole pi is equivalent to your 180 degrees. And 2 pi is your 360 degrees.
180 degrees.
80.
360 degrees.
360 degrees. Okay, so converting between degrees and regions tayo ha. So that what if, for example, a certain degree is not 90, it's not 45, it's in between, yung parang may butal. What if it is 37 degrees? How will you convert that into region? Okay. Simply means degrees to region is multiplied by pi radian over 100. Now, radians to degrees is multiply radian measure by 180 degrees over pi rad. Paano ba yun? To convert the degrees to radians, simply multiply this by 1 pi over 180 degrees. to convert radians to degrees is just the reciprocal of this one, which is 180 degrees over pi. Now we have here an example, okay? Convert the degree measure to radians or the radian measure to degrees 120. So what is the solution? Here is the solution. 180 degrees para ma-cancel siya. Of course, ganito ang technique sa pag-cancel o pag-convert. Dapat, kung degrees ito, ang denominator mo ay degree. Kung radian to, ang denominator mo ay radian. Okay? Nagets ba? Ganun lang kasimple. Kung magko-convert ka ng variable, dapat, if this is the given, dapat ang denominator niya yung the same variable ng given para magka-cancel. At ang matitira ay yung variable, yung unit nung nasa numerator. Okay? Just like this one. Yes. 120 degrees is equivalent to 120 degrees. In order to convert that into radian, it's pi radian over 180. Now, multiply this. This one will be divided to this one. Or you get the fraction part of that one. What is the least common denominator? Bakit nakuha ang over 3 dito? Anyone? Is 180 divisible by 1?
Ay, 6.
It is by?
60, ma'am. 60.
Yes, very good. 60 times 3
Divide, ma'am.
Very good yan. 60 times 3 is 180. 60 times 2 is your 120. Kaya makakancel din yung 60. That makes it 2 pi over 3. Nagets? Nagets ba? Bakit ma'am naging 2 pi or naging 2 over 3 na to? Nasaan na yung 120 and 180? Of course,
Yes, ma'am,
hahanap
gets
ka
ma'am.
kasi ng number na pwedeng i-multiply dun sa dalawa, katulad nito. Ang nahanap natin ay 60. So, kung si 60 ay i-multiply mo sa 2, the result is 120. So, kung si 60 ay i-multiply mo sa 3, it is 180. So, si 60 yung pinaka parang, anong tawag doon? Anyone? Anong tawag kay 60?
LCD.
Ha?
LCD po. LCD, least
Common
common.
denominator. Very good. So, kaya siya nag-pi over
Multiple.
COD.
Less common denominator.
yes. Okay. O, mute na ulit tayo. Punta naman tayo sa if the radian is given. How will you convert that into degrees? Okay. So, ganito yon. Again, ang given natin is in negative, no? So, negative pi over 12 is equivalent to pi over 12 radian. Now, laging sinasabi na of course, para ma-cancel, kukunin natin to para ma-convert natin siya. Now, it is 180 degrees over pi. Cancelled. Now, this one will be multiplied to 180. And 12 will be multiplied to pi. Okay. So, bakit naging 15 degrees, class? Meron ba kayong calculator? Paano naging... Yes.
Meron,
paano
ma'am.
Degrees.
Divide, ma'am.
Yes, very good. 180 divided by?
Divided by 2.
Huh?
12.
Divided by?
I mean.
180 divided by?
Negative 12.
Negative 12.
Negative 12. Very good.
Divide by 12.
Divided by 12.
Divide by 12 lang.
Yes, kasi
Ay,
mag-cancel na
Ay,
to.
negative 12 pala.
No need
12
to
lang,
go.
hindi kasama negative. Kasi
Yes.
factor out ang negative dyan. So kahit anong sagot
Answer,
magiging
positive
negative.
15.
No, it's not positive.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
So na-cancel, no need to convert this one into 3.14 and multiply to 180. No need, no? Kasi cancel and cancel na rin ang pi. Kaya ang matitira is 180 degrees divided by 12. And you will get negative 15 degrees. Okay ba? Naintindihan? Very good. Okay, kayo naman. On your notebook. Okay?
Yes
On
po,
your
yes.
notebook. Convert the degrees to region measure. Okay, can you convert it? At least give me the answer for and comment on the chat box, ha? Itong comments
pi over
chat
Ma'am,
box.
pi over 3,
What? No.
pi
Ah,
over 6.
Ganito ang gagawin natin, no? Solve that one, A, B, C, D, and
Pi over 3.
wait lang, mga anak. On your paper, solve that one, and then the answer, comment nyo sa chat box. Kasi yung mga chats ninyo is nadadownload ko, kaya nakikita ko yung mga interactions nyo doon. That will be my basis also as a grade. Okay? So, ang gawin ninyo, you solve from A to E, and comment on the chat box. I will give you at least 10 minutes to solve this one. No copying of answer sa chat box kasi baka mamaya nagka-copy kayo. Okay. Sige, keep sending your answers muna and then I will resume with the PowerPoint presentation. So very good, no? Nakita ko yung interaction coming from you students. I am overwhelmed and I'm very happy kasi may interaction from you. Very good yan. So let's continue. Now, how about convert the regions to degrees? So this is another 10 minutes for you. So answer this one. Convert the regions to degrees. So this is the concept summary, When you say degree and region measures of special angles, this is the diagram that shows the equivalent degree and region measure for special angles from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Or 0 regions to 2 pi regions. So you may find it helpful to memorize the equivalent degree. However, okay, mas maganda pa rin yung you know how to solve. For example, this one, the region measure is pi over 6, and that is equivalent to 30 degrees. Okay, so these are specialized angles. The 135 is equivalent to, ito yung ibig sabihin ng mga specialized angles is the value is in full number. Meron kasi yung iba na pag kinonvert mo, for example, a certain 98 degrees, you will be given a decimal point for that one.